Say hello to our neighbor's lovely home. What makes it outstanding, you may ask? There, a merge of beauty, safety, durability, and sustainability. And there, and also there. It's everywhere. Well, surely it's a sustainable future ahead of them. And it all begins with the wood products they use at home. The ideal wood provided by PT Kayu Lapis Indonesia. At PT Kayu Lapis Indonesia, we're willing to go through great lengths to ensure the highest standards and safety of our wood products. We put them in a long and extremely strict testing process to make sure of its durability. And the result? Not only has it passed the test, but it's also exceeded the world-renowned standards. Each of our neighbor's wood items also has to pass this particular endurance test prior to distribution. And we test it as if our family at home will use it themselves. To further ensure the safety of our products towards our workforce and our customers, we perform a thorough quality control process in our lab routinely. This process allows us to keep a close watch on emission levels, making our products truly safe for usage, even for children and newborns. Safe emission levels means your eyes are protected from irritation and your lungs are protected from indoor air pollution. Some of our products, based on request, are treated with flame retardant substance to both reduce the likelihood of the finished product catching fire and slow down combustion or flame spread, or for their ability to resist damage from coarse or sharp objects. We also evaluate the resistance of our finish has to stains or chemical spills. And to meet all the necessary requirements for bonding, we've also tested shelf life issues specific to adhesives. It is no coincidence that our glue plant has an advantage of being the first in Indonesia with ELEF, ultra-low emitting formaldehyde certification. And here's the last check to make sure that we are making high-quality products. A test like this reveals how well our finish will resist abrasion. As a result, we have built a reputation of superiority for our brands and our wood products. Because we understand that our neighbor relies on us to provide wood products of high quality and safety. Speaking of our neighbor, let's go back to them. Oh, it's you! Yes, you may as well be our lovely neighbor. Now that you've known us a little better, let's build a sustainable future with us at PT Kayu Lapis Indonesia, establishing layers of sustainable future.